Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today you should have started off watching Taslima Maya Art. After Tazzy, you have our special guest, which is Marie from Marie Louise Art. Super sweet lady, fantastic artist. We're happy to have you on with us, Marie. After Marie, we have Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. After him, you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, you have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. And after her, you have the Sweet Bubbles, or Sis, with Venom Fluid Art. And after her, you have the Hippy Dippy Painterman, and maybe my lovely sis Cat. Okay, so today is a special express because, you know, it's my birthday express. Woohoo! So, for my birthday express, I thought I'm just going to get a little crazy with it and pull a little bit of a Nathan from the Fine Art of Distraction and go big with it. So, it's not quite as big as his because that's just insane. But I do have this one, and if I could remember what size it was, I would tell you. Oh well. Anyway, it's big. But it's the biggest one I've ever done. And I'm going to do a split base with it. And I think I'm going to do a Dutch pour. So I've got some colors out here. And I'm going to just throw them on and rock this out and see what I can do. I'm going to put some colors down and let you guys watch and play some music.
Walking hand in hand on the ocean floor, down deep we wander. Louder we sing, no there is no cure in this together. I don't want to tell you that it's not real. Nothing is a fairy tale. Everything about you is so unreal. It won't be pretty when it ends. Now how could I leave with your sweet love on me? Yeah, yeah. Something about you always makes it harder. When you got my lipstick on your white shirt collar. sound of my heart breaking. Bless the soul that's aching, hoping I survive. The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you. Left our love up on those dusty shelves. Can't forgive myself for losing you. From body did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe. You're quite good at that, dodging all my questions. Wrap your arms around my neck. Such a decent price, earning my affection. Now there's no way to go back. Hoping we're in that movie where you teach me how to dance. And I'm just a young and foolish, begs for a second chance. I'm doing clumsy pirouettes in your bedroom light. Praying you will ask me to come stay the night. Baby, we're so cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. When you go, I can't make you stay. So we live for the night and we fade in the rhythm. So cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. And when you go, I can't make you stay. So we fade in the rhythm. So we fade in the rhythm. Such a masterpiece, swaying in the spotlight. Makes me feel so good inside. Oh, baby, don't ever talk about the things that are everlasting. Oh, baby, we won't ever last. Hoping we're in that movie where you teach me how to dance. And I'm just a young and foolish, begs for a second chance. I'm doing clumsy pirouettes in your bedroom light. Praying you will ask me to come stay the night. Baby, we're so cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. When you go, I can't make you stay. So we live for the night and we fade in the rhythm. So cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. And when you go, I can't make you stay. So we fade in the rhythm. So we fade in the rhythm.
gonna bring you guys down for a close-up. Alright guys, here she is. Tell me what you think in the comments. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate all of you who have done that already. Yeah, I'm really super happy with this. It's huge for one thing, and I don't know, it's super cool. I love the colors in it. I like the split base. This was a lot of fun. No wonder you do big canvases there, Nate. Yeah, I get it. This is sick. All right. There's with the light on, and I will bring this back to you, and I will do it again with the light off. All right, here she is with the light off. She's really pretty. I hope my camera can show you just how really pretty she is. I'm really happy with it. It turned out really super cool. There's some really cool parts to it, like just like that part right there with the lacing and the cells, and there's really some of those all the way through it. Alright guys, thank you for coming to my birthday special express. I appreciate all of you. Love you all to pieces. I hope you guys have a fantastic day or night wherever you are. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. You know, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'd love to hear from you. Leave me a comment. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I appreciate it. I love you guys. Have a great day or night, and I will talk to you later. Love you. Bye.